A diode is one of the simplest and most important electronic component. It allows electric current to flow in only one direction, just like a one-way street for electricity. Have you ever wondered how your phone charges or how electricity flows in just one direction inside your gadget? Well, the secret lies in a tiny but powerful component called the diode. A basic diode is made from two types of semiconductor material, P type and N type. When these are joined together, they form a PN junction. This is the core of the diode. When connected in the forward direction, the diode allows current to pass, but if connected in the reverse direction, it blocks the current. There are many types of diode, each with unique purpose. Let's take a quick look. PN junction diode, the basic one used in rectifiers. Zener diode, used to regulate voltage. LED light emitting diode, it lights up when current flows. Schottky diode, known for fast switching and low voltage drop. Photodiode detects light and is used in cameras and sensors. Diodes are used in a wide range of electronics devices and systems. Power adapters convert AC to DC using diodes. LED lights, yes, those are diode too. Solar panels contains diode to prevent reverse current. Radios and TVs use diode to demodulate signals. So next time you use your phone, flip up light switch or charge a device, remember a small diode might be quietly doing its job in the background. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching. Check out our next video to learn more about transistors and how they power the digital world.